Alright guys, we're about to go ahead and start taking apart the V6 so we can put the Mach 1 motor in, but unfortunately, as you can see, it is raining outside, so I won't be able to do it as much as I want, but I can do enough since I got a garage, Mustang parking only. But yeah, today might be the day that I put this motor in my car. It won't be running, but at least it'll be in my car finally. So let's go ahead and get it started.
Is it funny?
It's kind of funny.
Alright guys, it's been a couple days later, and as you can see, it snowed. So again, like the rain, I can't have my car all the way back to put the motor in, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to work with what I got. But planning on trying to get this motor in today. It's gonna be real cold, but you know, gotta get my car running. Look who just showed up. Got a gnarly 97 over here. Gnarly 97.
Gnarly 97.
And also yin yang vibes, you know.
Yeah, that's me and my girl channel, man.
Alright.
Gang gang. Link in the description.
Of course.
Screenshot? What?
Magical. But
I'll take that.
but yep. It's in now.
Oh yeah. So much progress was made today.
It is freezing cold. Like
I can't feel my toes.
I can't feel my fingers, but it's okay because it's worth it.
But I think I lost that a while ago.
Probably did. Okay.
My feet are gonna fall off, dude. Like
Your feet or your fingers?
them too, but my feet, they gone. I'm walking on my ankles right now.
But yeah, hopefully we get this thing back up and running. I'm still trying to figure out the little wiring for my transmission.
I had this hoodie on last time I was doing one of those videos.
It's okay. It's just a hoodie.
Just a hoodie. Clothes are clothes. Millions of years ago, nobody was wearing anything.
Don't you wish we could go back to that?
I certainly do not. I certainly do not. Some people don't need to be seen naked.
You right.
Donald Trump.
Oh.
Wrong.
It's cold. We about to do something in the snow. I don't know what. Winter Wonderland. Winter Wonderland. Man, just looking at that makes me feel frozen.
Right.
Crunch, crunch. Don't you have Nikes on with like vented? Hey, you want to know something funny, Damien? Look, you see that big pile of snow right there? Guess what that is? That's a package. Yeah, that's a package. So it's ice over it. We gotta wait for it to thaw out before we can get it. But yeah, we'll figure out what that is in a minute. Damien, my hand's cold. What you trying to do?
Hold on.
What is this?
Got you. Go ahead.
All right, this is
It's colder than Jack Frost nipples out here, first of all.
I ain't know Jack Frost had nipples, but all right.
Wow. You know, everybody ain't got nipples. Everybody ain't got nipples.
Mach 1 in the background.
Hey. That booty looking thick. Are you ready?
You gonna get that blue can that's in that bag?
Don't have children. Okay,
It'll probably have it.
this is a public announcement. Don't have kids.
I feel like kids are fun when you're ready.
Look
Oh, they're
at my
fun.
face.
They're
See
really
how much
fun.
fun I'm having.
There was no fun before she finished the sentence.
We forgot that I had the caps on there off my headers.
Oh!
The camera.
I forgot I had a cap on my camera.
I forgot I had a cat on my bag. Yeah, I hear my meows when they're realistic.
Darius, be careful.
I'm trying to.
Hold on, am I touching?
Do I just like go around in a circle or just straight in?
Touching.
Do I go in a circle or straight in?
You just spraying.
Alright.
Are you spraying?
Yeah, I sprayed a little bit. You said spray a little bit.
Spray some more.
Oh,
It's
something's
about to
smoking.
start.
Something's smoking.
What?
Something's smoking.
What is smoking?
Do you see that?
Where?
It's right here.
Where is that?
I'm gonna take this off now.
Yeah, take it off.
We still look so worse. Did you just hot wire your car?
Huh? It doesn't matter. Did you
No,
hear it?
no, I'm saying, did you do that?
That's
That's how you did it?
On the slick side. Yo, now we want me to spray there.
Now! Now! Why did you stop spraying?
Oh, okay, do it again.
It ran. Go! One more time.
Go.
Now! Okay, let me go and see. You heard it? She like, you woke me up. Huh? Woo! Boy, alright. I need to have a seat. What's up, guys? Yeah, I was pretty excited, if you couldn't tell. Sorry about the video clip, it was kind of a little blurry and greasy, because, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, we about to try to start it up by the key now. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try. Give me a second. I was about to give it some gas.